Whippin' with the bookers!
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? So, today we're making
lemon pepper chicken wings.
lemon pepper chicken wings.
Her favorite wings.
My favorite wings.
She won't eat nothing else for whatever reason.
That's actually...
My favorite is mild lemon pepper. Shout out to my pops, he put me on.
A long time ago. Huh, you said what now?
Mild lemon pepper, hot lemon pepper. The best wings on this earth.
Anyway, I love...
You like wet lemon pepper wings?
Yeah, they're buttered. I love buttered lemon pepper wings.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna make today. And we got a surprise. We're
using the air fryer.
Well, we're comparing.
Yeah, we're gonna compare regular fried wings. And we just bought the air fryer today. We heard some hypeness about it, so we just had to try it ourselves after all this time, finally.
Yeah, so just keep watching.
Just keep watching.
Alright guys, so we got our ingredients. We have a bowl full of wingettes. We have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and some sea salt, you dig.
Teaspoon of this junk, you know what I'm saying? And mix it up.
Alright, you guys, so we got this air fryer right here. We're going to put about 2 to 3 wings in here since this is our first time using it. And we're gonna see how it turns out. So it says up here, you're supposed to keep the meat in for 18 to 25 minutes. So we're just gonna
set the timer for 25 minutes.
Set the timer.
All right, so now we're gonna add the rest of our wings to the oil. You dig? But beware, don't just be dropping this junk up in here. All right, guys. So now I'm about to get ready to take these out. They're practically done. Pretty crispy. I'm just gonna sit these over here on my rack so that all the oil can get out of it, off of it. Because you don't want them sitting in a bowl and they're just soaking up all the oil.
I also got the rack from my dad. I didn't get it from him, but I got the idea from him. I'm working with him.
So y'all, I am pretty surprised that these things are really cooking. Like,
Yeah,
show them the front.
The front.
Yeah. So we're supposed to, I guess you're supposed to turn them halfway through cooking. See, oh my gosh. I guess you're supposed to turn them halfway through cooking, but we didn't know that until I just read the directions. So now we're just turning them, about to put them back in and let them cook for a little bit longer. And then we're just gonna see how it tastes.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna be adding in a half a stick of butter for our lemon pepper seasoning for the wings. And we're just gonna microwave this and melt it down. Hey guys, here's my little secret I learned a long time ago. I'm adding oregano leaves to it because it has like a little lemony taste to it.
So you're really getting this all coated up. If you want to add some more seasoning, you can.
Alright, so this is what the air fried wings are looking like. We just turned them over in the air fryer and cooked them for about 5 more minutes. So as you can see, they cooked. And this is really bad for me because I didn't think it was gonna work. And yeah, I didn't think it was gonna work.
Alright guys, here goes the food.
All finished. Looking delicious. So we cooked the fries in the air fryer and they came out pretty crispy.
You did a great job. Look, listen to this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, one more time.
Crispy. And I'm honestly surprised because I had my doubts, but they proved me wrong.
Yeah. All right, guys.
And I'm proud.
All right, so we're gonna start off by eating one of the regular fried wings. Right here.
Yep, so we fried this one in the oil. What's wrong?
Y'all just saw that? She dripped the whole head off the doggone drum head. I ain't never seen nobody do that before. Anyway.
This one tastes good as heck.
I have to rip it like this because of my bracelet, but it's so good. It's so good.
I don't know about that. Like fire, man.
Fire. Fire. Fire.
Fire.
The thing is a fire.
Fire. Fire.
This is the air fried wing.
As you can see, looking delicious.
Honestly, hold on.
It has a real clean taste. I think this is better than the regular fried, cause yeah.
Yeah, this the one. Not saying that the other wings is bad because it is delicious, but this one,
It has more of like a fresh taste.
like, it's, to me, it's more flavorful. Flavorful.
Yeah, because the other one is kind of overpowered by the grease flavor.
Yeah.
Now you don't feel as fat eating this wing when you do the other one.
Yeah. This is good.
I do recommend an air fryer. I'm gonna be air frying everything. I'm gonna be air frying steak, shrimp, everything. You name it. You name it.
Oh, perfect.
Pray. I know why you're gonna pray because it's gonna come out good. This is the air fryer we got.
It's called Gotham Steel.
For everybody that wants to know.
But yeah, it's a 4-quart air fryer. $74. Got some BX.
But y'all, I want to sit down.
All right, y'all, and we out.
And we out, y'all. We'll catch y'all next video, whatever that's gonna be.
It's gonna be soon.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
No.
You know what I'm saying?
That was
Whippin' with the Bookers.